Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be seeing how to create a donut glass and some of the options associated with it. Before we get into the video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. And please support the channel by sharing the videos as well. So let's get started. First, switch on the origin and go to create. Select the torus option. Select the front plane and specify the center point as this one and give the diameter as 100 and press enter, and you can see here give the torus diameter as 40 and again press enter. So the first part is finished. Now go to a cylinder, select the top plane, give the center point and give the diameter as 35 and press enter, and give the height as, or you can just grab and just drag it, give the height as 45 and make sure the operation should be new body and give OK. Now just front orient it, go to the move command, click this and go to set pivot, tilt it and select this center point. Release the pivot, that means give done, and front orient it and just grab and pull it down and give the distance as 55 mm and press enter. Now just tilt it, switch off the origin, go to your modify, select the combine option and select this body and this body, give join option and give OK. Now it has been changed to a single body. Go to your fillet, select this, give 10 mm, press enter. Yeah, that's it. Now go to your shell option. If it is not available here, go to modify and here the shell option is available. Now select the shell option and the face to be removed is this one and give the distance thickness as 2 mm and give OK. Right. Now again go to fillet, select this edge, press Ctrl and select the second edge, give 0.5 and give OK. Now that is finished. Right. Now you have to make the water insert. Before that, let's give the material. So right click the body and give appearance and just wait for the dialog box to open. Okay, that's it. So I have already taken all the materials. So this donut glass material will be clear glass and you can avail it in this option. See, go to your glass and smooth glass, you have glass clear. Okay, so you just take the glass clear and just apply it here. So it has been changed to a glass. Now let's make the water insert, right? So that's why I just made the background white so you can draw it perfectly. Now what you have to do is just switch on the origin, select the create sketch option and select the front plane and give front oriented. Okay, now go to a circle, draw a circle of radius 50, that means diameter 100, press enter and you have to draw a line from here to here and you have to use the, under the modify option you have something called trim. Go to trim option and just delete these two curves. So only this half of the circle, that means a semicircle, will be existing. Go to finish sketch, go to your create option, go to pipe option and select this path and give the pipe distance as section size as 35, is already assigned, and give OK. Right. Now just hide the origin. Now you have to give material for body 7. So right click it, go to appearance and let's wait for the appearance box. Okay, now I have selected under the textured glass bubbles and I just right click it, I gave the edit and I changed the color to blue, and I reduce the scale to 43, and I gave a rotation of 24. That's it. Do that and it will be changed to this appearance. Just grab it and give it here, body side. Now it has been changed to a bubble glass. It will be appear like a water body. Now let's close it by making a thought. So switch on the origin, create sketch, select the front plane, front orient it. Now first thing we have to draw a line. So before that, select the construction option, and so draw a construction line. You OK. Now let's go up, and we have to release the construction. So now it is normal construction. So you have to click here, you have to draw a line, and then you have to tilt it and draw a line, and you have to finish the sketch like this. Okay, now let's give the dimension. Okay, so let's give the upper dimension as 16.4, press enter. Give the lower dimension as 12.7, press enter, and select these two, the height as 32 mm, and you have to select this side and this center point, this distance as 81. Perfect. Now what you have to do is just give, if suppose your dimension option is not available here, just go to create and you can just select the sketch dimension from there. Okay, and give OK. Now go to revolve option. So the profile is already selected, otherwise if it is not selected, just select this profile and select the axis and give this center axis and give OK. So it is created as a new body. Now switch off the origin, go to body 8, right click it, give appearance. So I have given 3D Oak glossy. It is available at Wood. Okay, solid woods. So under this you can find it. Okay, walnut glossy. Oh sorry, it's in I think it's wood solid. Go to wood solid. Yeah, 3D Oak glossy. Okay, so you just grab it and apply it and give close. So that's it. Just give render and let's see. Now the appearance itself is really good, right? Let's keep it here. Just adjust it and let's keep render. Let's wait for it to start. Yeah, there you go. I'll stop the render for now and I will show you the finished model. And this is the almost rendered quality image of our donut class. Hope you like the video and just try it out and let me know if you face any difficulties. So once again, subscribe the channel if you are not subscribed and press the bell icon for further notification. Support the channel by sharing the videos as well. Thank you.